Oh, hello.
Guys.
Hello, guys.
What are we going to do?
We're going to unbox the box.
The parcel of Mama.
Parcel of Mama.
Next.
We're going to
You're
open
ready.
it.
Slowly. What does it say?
I
What
don't
is
know.
it?
What is a camera?
A camera. Okay.
This is instruction.
The instructions or the receipt?
The
Maybe it's the receipt. Yeah. You wanna take out the box?
What's instruction,
Yeah.
please? Another box inside. A box.
We're gonna open it again. Turn it
What's that
around.
fluffy thing? Yay, fluffy!
Come here, always need to open this one.
Can you transform this into a space hat?
Oh, let's open this one. Oh. Shall I rip it? Or do you want to rip it? I thought you were going to help me unbox
Oh
this
yeah,
one.
rip it.
Oh, you rip it or I rip it?
I rip it.
I'll rip it apart. Sige, kid.
Don't help me.
Yeah, I'll hold this.
Don't
Hold
help
it.
me. I could do it. I could do it.
Okay, okay. This one. Oh.
I could do it. I could do it.
Oh, careful not to drop the parcel. What's it called?
Camera.
A camera.
I hope it's actually waterproof.
It's not waterproof.
What?
Yeah. The other camera that we had was waterproof. The one we brought to Cancun, remember?
Yeah.
This one needs another. Oh, do you see this green thing? Can you rip it to the side? It's got an arrow.
Oh
Then this
yeah.
side.
Oh, I saw something.
Well done. Next,
Open it time.
opening time.
Wee. Oh look, it's a bag.
It's a bag.
And this
I'll
one.
pull it
this.
out, okay?
But what is this?
It's a silica gel. Next.
I haven't planted my seeds for a long time.
Yeah, well, I'll help you on Saturday to plant it. Ooh, some more instructions inside. Here are plenty more instructions. Shall I leave that there? And there's this box here. What's inside the box?
I don't know.
Shall we find out?
It's the camera.
This way.
Oh yeah, that way.
It's difficult. Wait. Shall
I
help
know.
you?
Yeah, that's how we do it.
Okay. I'll open that. What's inside that one?
Did you ever see a box inside of a box inside of a box?
How many boxes altogether?
3.
Okay.
Can I use?
Maybe I'll do it like this.
Can I use the boxes?
Of course you can, for your art. What's that, guys?
It's a camera.
I think this is the case. You look at that one
Ooh,
now.
look, I think this is a box.
Another
I think this
box.
is a box. Bruh.
Bruh. Ooh, look at that. It's a protective cover.
For what?
For the camera.
Is it waterproof?
We'll find out. This one, I'm gonna open it. Yeah,
I think it's a box.
it's a bag. This one.
A box? The
Yeah,
bag, the
a
box,
bag.
the bag, the box,
No
the
more
bag.
box, just a bag. Oh, you got cough. Very bad cough.
So it's structured. Okay, this is instruction.
So, can you read this word? The letters? Can you? Later na lang eh. Busy mo ka. I'll open it na. I'm zipping it. Wow, look at that. Look at this bag. It expands. Yeah? You wanna see what's inside?
Ah.
Here's the camera. Whoa, look at that. It's so tiny.
What?
Even you can carry this one. Wow. It's so tiny. Then, what else? What else is inside? This one is called a
Mama,
transmitter.
it's instruction
Code.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
A
8,
mic
9,
transmitter.
10, 11.
Yes. Then I have, what is this one?
I wonder what this one is.
I wonder what this one is too.
Whoa, this one is going crazy.
So tiny, this one.
Mommy, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one.
Yes. this called?
That is
It's a handle. A handle.
or something. What?
And what's this one?
Mama, look! It's a square.
Ooh. And this is a battery handle. This one. You can connect it at the end of the camera. This one. Ooh, a tripod. A mini one. Mini tripod.
Mama, I'd like to see this one.
I thought you're the one unboxing and I'm the one doing it again. Then another silica gel. This is your charger. Yeah. And this one is called a mic wind screen. Whoa, look at that.
Wee.
And we have a wrist strap over here.
Wee.
Nice. Okay, guys. We finished na, guys.
Okay. Yeah.
You wanna click the red button, please, in the camera?
Wait. What? Okay. Wee. Hello. 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 Hello.